Future filmmaker, you did it. You planned, filmed, and edited your very own movie, and now it's time for the best part, celebrating your big premiere. Every great filmmaker deserves a movie awards ceremony, so let's make yours special. First, get ready for your movie star moment. Take a photo of yourself as a movie director or a movie star. Strike a pose. This is your big moment. Now, let's make your entrance feel like Hollywood. Grab a red carpet, or if you don't have one, a blanket works just as well. Walk down it like a superstar, wave to the cameras, and enjoy the spotlight. Every great filmmaker gets interviewed after their big premiere. Have a friend or family member ask you questions like, "What was your favorite part of making this movie?" Or, "Would you like to make another film?" This is your chance to share what you learned and what made this experience so much fun. And don't forget the final step, your certificate of achievement. Flip to the back of the book, write your name on it, and make it official. You're not just a filmmaker, you're a director, storyteller, and movie magic maker. Great job. Grab some popcorn, invite your family and friends, and premiere your movie for the world to see. You've worked hard, and now it's time to celebrate your success. See you at the movies.